Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. So today we have a super, oh my thing's falling. We have a super rich, decadent, delicious dessert. And it's so easy to make, and that's why it's so dangerous, because it's so easy. But you definitely want to just make it on a special occasion, or, you know, to make a video, whatever, because it's so rich. But it's so delicious. So we're having it with butterscotch sauce too, because I made that. So delicious. Yeah, this recipe is so versatile too. You can do different things with it. And one of the things, like if you have a banana lover, like bananas Foster lover, like my husband, you can do what I call a bananas Foster imposter cake. It's really good. And you can put bananas in there, but for me, it's like it's kind of weird texture for me, so I don't put bananas in it, but you totally could. So you would just make it, and you'll see how I make it. But instead of putting vanilla extract, you would put banana extract in there, and then serve it with the butterscotch sauce, like we're gonna do today. And it's like your little bananas Foster imposter dessert, but easier. So anyway, let's get started, you guys, because I can't wait. It's going to be so delicious. So, thank you for being here. Appreciate every one of you, and all your support for coming here and watching me. I really appreciate that. So let's get started so I can eat it. All right. Hope you guys are having a good day, and let me know if you try it. Send me an email, leave me a comment, whatever. And yeah, let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so first let's start with the butterscotch sauce. So we're just going to take a pan over medium-high heat and add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Get off my finger. And half a cup of packed dark brown sugar. So you're going to want to mix this until it comes to like a little boil, like a small, slow boil. And it's going to be grainy, but you want it to come together. So let me get this going, and then we'll come back and we'll add the salt and heavy cream, and then the vanilla after we take it off. Okay, I just added in a teaspoon of kosher salt, or like some flaky salt. You don't want it to be table salt. You want it to be like thicker. So this is coming to a nice boil. So we're going to do this. We're going to boil this for about 4 minutes, but we're going to add the cream here in just a second. I'm just going to boil it for a couple minutes and then add the cream. And the difference between caramel sauce and butterscotch sauce is that caramel sauce is made with white sugar and butterscotch sauce is made with brown sugar. They both taste like amazing. So anyway, we'll be back. Okay, I just added the heavy cream. It's a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And just be careful because it might splash because it's so hot. So you're just going to continue to stir this and scrape down the sides. I might get a spatula so we can scrape down the sides. So you want to, this cooled it down, so it's going to start boiling again soon, for about 4 minutes total. So we already boiled it for a couple minutes before adding the heavy cream. So just watch it. You don't want it grainy, so just boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes total. And then we'll take it off and we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're making this first because you want it to cool down and set before we use it for the ooey gooey butter cake. I'm so excited. Okay, I added the teaspoon of vanilla. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Just cool this off and give me a spoon. Oh my gosh. So, and at this point you can add, if you actually have scotch at your house, you can add a splash of that to kind of kick it up. But we're just gonna keep it PG up in here and make it like this. So now I'm just going to pour this in a container and let it cool completely while we make the cake. I can't even wait. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, let's get started on the cake. So So this is the easy part where you take a yellow boxed cake mix, and I like Duncan Hines, my fave. So I'm just gonna add in the cake mix. And this is gonna be like a thick batter, so don't worry. And then we're going to add in, let's see, let's put in the eggs. So you're gonna put in 2 large eggs. And then 3 tablespoons of canola oil. So this got 2 here. And then my 1. So we're just gonna mix that a bit real quick. And then slowly add in your 1/2 cup of melted butter. Okay, let me finish mixing that, and then we will put it in the 9 by 13 inch dish that I sprayed it with some light cooking spray. Okay, so let's get started on the amazing gooiness. So we have an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, and we're gonna add 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, another cup, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and some vanilla, and then powdered sugar. Yes, this is like a rich dessert, you guys. So obviously for a special occasion, or just, you know, because it's Thursday, so you know. Whip this up, and then I'm going to add in the eggs. Slow it down a little bit, so I'm going to add the butter. Alright, let me whip this up so it's a little bit more incorporated, and then we'll add the sugar. Okay, we're going to slowly add in 4 cups of powdered sugar. So I'm just doing like 1 cup at a time. So I'll do this, and I'll put in the rest of the 3 cups and show you what it looks like after. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I don't know if I told you that I did pour in the vanilla before I started adding the sugar. So now let's pour it into our cake. And this is also pretty thick, so just take your time. Try not to be in the way. Here, let me pour it all out, and then I'll turn it back on. Or not. Okay, sorry about that. I just didn't want to be in the way. So now that we have it here, we're just gonna kind of go from the middle and go out. We're gonna spread it all the way out. This is insane. Insanely rich, delicious. And trust me, it doesn't even need butterscotch sauce, but if you know me, I'm extra. So I wanted it. But it definitely doesn't need it. It's totally perfect and fine on its own. First time I had it with, there was, I think, a strawberry reduction. It was so good. And I also have a recipe for white chocolate raspberry or strawberry swirl in there, which would be good. But I just want to show you the butter cake, the gooey butter cake recipe, so you can have it on its own, or, you know, make some butterscotch sauce like me. So anyway, I'm going to pop this in the oven. It's already going at 350, and we're going to put it in there for about 35 to 40 minutes. Who knows, depending on my oven. So I'm going to do a quick workout and torture myself while I smell it. So we'll be back when we pull it out. Okay, guys. Taking it out of the oven, and this is what you want it to look like. So see how it's still kind of jiggly in the middle? You want that. Because you want it to completely cool before you cut into it and slice it. So What's good about this is it's so rich, right, with all the flavors, that since you bake it in such a large pan, you can cut it into small pieces and serve it to a lot of people, especially for a special occasion. So anyways, we're gonna just let this cool completely, and then I'll probably dust some powdered sugar on it and plate it on top of some butterscotch sauce. So I'm super excited, you guys. So we'll be back probably in a couple hours. Okay, you guys, let's put this together. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this butterscotch sauce over this bowl. Try to make it look a little pretty. And then I'm gonna take a big piece. Oh my gosh. The corner piece, because the crusties, oh my gosh, it's so good. And then I'm just gonna dust a little bit of powdered sugar, and there it is. It's so good, you guys. I already took another piece and I was like devouring it with the sauce. Oh my gosh. So let me just, hold on. Hi. I hope you guys try this. This is so amazing and it's so decadent and delicious. You guys are gonna love it. And you can try the different other kind of variations you can do. I'll probably make other videos with it too, but there it is, you guys. Hope you try it. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.